In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and enable multiple payment methods using Stripe. This is an excellent way to enhance your business's payment flexibility, allowing your customers to use their preferred methods when purchasing from your platform. Let's dive into the process, keeping it straightforward yet informative to make sure you get everything set up correctly. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Stripe account. This is your hub for managing all things related to payments for your business. Stripe provides a user-friendly interface that makes handling transactions, settings, and other financial activities straightforward and efficient. So once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the Settings section of your account. You will find this option typically located on the left-hand sidebar, easily accessible as you manage your account. Inside the Settings tab, you'll see a range of options. We're particularly interested in the Payments section, so go ahead and click on Payments. This is where the magic happens, and it opens up a world of possibilities for accepting diverse payment options from your clients. Select the Payment Methods tab, which will lead you to a new page offering a variety of digital payment options. You might see familiar names like Alipay, Amazon Pay, and Cash App, among others. Stripe allows you to integrate these directly into your payment system, a perfect feature if you want to appeal to a broader audience with varied preferences for how they choose to pay. Now for the fun part, enabling these payment methods. Next to each listed payment option, you will see a Turn On button. It's as simple as a click to enable any payment method you desire. This ease of access underscores why Stripe is a popular choice among businesses keen on providing flexibility. With each activation, you're opening doors to more potential sales by accommodating the payment preferences of a variety of customers. This process not only enhances your payment setup, but it also significantly improves customer satisfaction and loyalty. Customers are more likely to complete their purchases if they see their preferred payment method available at checkout. It's the small changes like these that can make a big difference in retaining customers and reducing cart abandonment rates. And just like that, you're all set. With these settings now adjusted, your Stripe account is primed to handle a multitude of payment methods, making it easier for your customers to do business with you. As a quick reminder, always double-check to ensure that each preferred option is working smoothly on your checkout system. It's essential to test the changes to avoid any potential hiccups down the line. Thanks for following along today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy selling, and don't hesitate to explore more of Stripe's features to further optimize your user experience.